Hello students, this is Dr. Amarpreet Kour, a lecturer from Jammu and Kashmir Education Department. Today I will teach seed and fruit. I'm not going to teach in detail because already you people have covered this topic in previous year. So I'm going to tell you only the important points because this chapter is embryology. So, as a part of embryology, I will discuss the paramount points. Okay, firstly, seed. What is a seed? Definition is important, so you can memorize it. A seed is a fertilized ovule. Okay, broadly, seed is categorized into three types. One is endospermic or albuminous seeds, second non-endospermic or X-albuminous seeds, and third is perispermic seeds. First, endospermic or albuminous seeds. As the name suggests, these seeds they contain endosperm. An example we have coconut, wheat, and maize. There are many more, but I am giving only three examples. And in non-endospermic or X-albuminous seeds, no endosperm is present. Example, pea and groundnut. In perispermic seeds, nucellus is seen. However, during this all process, nucellus is degenerating, but only in perispermic seeds it remains persistent. Okay, and we have example of black pepper. Now, the structure of a seed. A seed is formed of three layers. Okay, the first one you can say seed coat, another endosperm, and third embryo. Firstly, seed coat. It is formed of integuments of ovule. Already I have discussed integuments in my previous lecture, so you can refer to that lecture. Seed coat, it gives protection to embryo. The outer layer of seed coat is known as testa and the inner one is known as tegmen. Endosperm, it may be present or may not be present, already discussed in the types of seed. Embryo. Embryo is a mature plant, or you can say it's a new generation. Okay. Now, some important terms. The first one, seed dormancy. It is a period in which a seed is not able to germinate. And dormancy, it depends upon different factors like moisture, light, and temperature. Seed viability. It is the period in which seed retains the power of germination. Now, fruit. A ripened ovary is known as fruit. You all know about it. The wall of ovary that forms the wall of fruit is known as pericarp. And fruit, it is divided or categorized into two main categories. First, true fruit and false fruit. A true fruit is that fruit which develops from the ovary. Example, like mango. And false fruit is the fruit that develops from any other part, floral part, like from stamens, from carpels, or maybe and from thalamus. Okay, so this is known as false fruit. And example, we have apple, strawberry, and cashew nut. The third category, it is known as parthenocarpic fruit. It is a seedless fruit, okay, and it is formed without the process of fertilization. It is produced with the application of certain hormones like auxin, and we have example of parthenocarpic fruit like banana and grapes. Okay. Now, apomixis. Generally, we have seen that seed is the result of fertilization of ovule. We earlier I taught you parthenocarpy. Okay, in parthenocarpic fruit, we induce fertilization. Okay, artificially with the help of hormones or by other chemicals. But in parthenocarpic fruits, no seed is formed. But here, what is happening without fertilization? Okay, seeds are produced and naturally. This process is known as apomixis and it is happening in Asteraceae family and in some grasses. It is actually a form of asexual reproduction, but it appears to be a sexual reproduction. It has two types. One is known as adventive embryony and the other one is known as recurrent agmospermy. In adventive embryony, the embryo it arises from diploid sporophytic cells such as we have nucellus and integuments. Example again is mango or citrus. Citrus means lime, lemon, and orange. The other one is recurrent agmospermy. In this, the diploid embryo sac, it is formed from the megaspore mother cell of nuclear cell, which has a diploid egg or oospore. Means already this egg, it is diploid. Okay. The diploid egg, it develops into diploid embryo. So there is no need of fertilization. And again, example is pear or apple. Another important term in embryology is polyembryony. That means more than one embryo in a seed. Okay. Students, with this we have completed embryology section and tomorrow, if all goes well, I will take genetics. Thank you for now and thank you for listening to my lecture. In case you have any question or query, you can visit my website, that is www.amarpreetkour.com, and you can post over there and you can also listen to some previous lectures. Thank you for now.